Can you hear me now? Was I streaming without audio for all of this time? I don't think I was streaming without audio for all of this time. Ah, okay. We have audio now? Oh my God. Okay, Martyr, you are in luck, my man, because everything that I said was without audio. So we're gonna go through everything all over again. We couldn't hear you. Why didn't anybody just ping me before this? Never mind. Okay, I can see the chat. We're good now. Okay, let's go through everything all over again. I'm gonna do an intro and then we can get started on everything. I am Stefan. I am one of the co-founders of Armor, which is an AI-powered wallet and a crypto assistant. You can think of it as ChatGPT plus MetaMask plus your favorite trading bot. You talk with the wallet, or the MCP here with prompts, and with the power of AI agents, it can go out and do things for you, just like we did here. So take a look at this. I wrote here, show me all of my wallets and balances, and it gave me the thing, right? I'm super excited. This is a developer version of Armor. To use this, you need a Codex NFT, and we're going to get to that a bit later. So the MCP, it's just a fancy word for a tool that developers can use to give all of the functionalities and all of the capabilities of Armor to their custom-made AI agents. And now we're going to be playing with this for a little bit. So the first thing that I asked Armor is to show me all of the wallets and balances. It created this function, it showed me this function, and there's no need to worry about this. This is not going to be there in the live version. This is just for debugging purposes. Currently, we're still in an alpha stage, so it's not even beta. It's super, super early, but I'm super happy and super excited to show this to you. And whenever we use a function for the first time, we're going to get a notification. So I'm just going to confirm those notifications. No need to worry about those. You're not going to see them in the live version. Okay, now let's go into the next thing that we wanted to do, which is create a new wallet. Let's go. Create a new wallet called, we're going to do, it is April 17th, so I'm going to do 1704. And send let's send 1 Solana from test wallet there. So as you can see here, in all of these wallets that I have here, yeah, we're just confirming the notification. I have about 1.4 Solana in here, just confirming this again. And we're going to send 1 inside of this new wallet, and then we're going to do some crazy things. You can't hear me? Come on, Elias. You can hear me. What? Am I having microphone issues? Do I need to yell? Please tell me that you can't hear now, right? Elias, can you hear me? I'm just checking. All right, let me just open up my Discord and see if people can hear me. You can hear me. Okay, so Elias is having issues with hearing. Or I can just speak a bit louder. That would work well also. Okay, perfect. So this is one of the cool things. Okay. Now that we have created a wallet and sent 1 sol from test wallet, let's just see what all of the responses from the wallet have been. I'll create a new wallet called 1704 and then send 1 Solana from your test wallet to it. Let's create a new wallet. Use the function, used one of the tools from the MCP, and it's created a new wallet called 1704. I'll transfer 1 sol from your test wallet to it, and it's completed both of the tasks successfully. It's created a new wallet named 1704, and it's transferred 1 sol from my test wallet to the new 1704 wallet. The transaction was successful, and we can see it on SolScan using this link. Test wallet has 0.39 sol, and the new wallet has 1 sol. So we have to check this. I mean, we always have to check things, right? So let's click on this link from SolScan. We're going to open this link, and I'm just going to move this here. So this happened 2 minutes ago, just when we ran the prompt. Perfection. And we can see the signer is this wallet. This is the new wallet that we created, right? It's GPV, ends with ASA, right? Let's just do this. GPV and ends with ASA. We sent 1 Solana. And it's a success, and it's been confirmed on SolScan. It is doing the thing. It's doing the thing. Okay. Let's continue. So let's just see if the issue with the voice is done. Okay, I can't hear. We can hear you. Check if the video is muted. Thank you. Okay, Elias, can you hear me? I'm just going to send a message here. Can you hear me? We're just going to see if Elias can hear me. And I think we're going to be good. Yes, I can. Perfect. So we are live. We're good. Nice. Okay. So now let's continue with another prompt. I'm going to showcase a couple of basic functionalities, and then we're going to let Claude have the reins. So for everybody that doesn't know, Claude is an AI assistant. Think of it as something similar to ChatGPT. ChatGPT was made by OpenAI. Claude is made by Anthropic. Anthropic, the company, invented MCPs, which stands for Model Context Protocol, which is basically an easier way for LLMs to communicate with APIs. This is developer talk, but I'm making it super easy. So now, with this MCP, why this is so useful? You can connect any LLM to the Armor Crypto MCP, and you can have all of the functionalities in the crypto ecosystem. We can do. So this is everything that we're going to cover today. Wallet operations, creating wallets, archiving wallets, sending things to wallets between each other, creating wallet groups, performing transactions with wallet groups. Next thing is swaps. We can purchase things. We can do limit orders, set up parameters and conditions for when a swap and how a swap should be executed. This can be based on price, based on market cap, based on timing, where DCAs come in, which is dollar cost averaging. We can set up trades, let's say use one Solana to DCA into Bonk over the next hour and do so every 10 minutes. And it's going to split everything automatically. We can do staking, and we can also do technical analysis. We can look at chart data. Super, super interesting. Let's go. Sasori reposted the stream. Hey, thank you for reposting the stream. Okay, this is getting way, way more fun. Okay, let's complete a couple of swaps. So now we have a wallet that is funded with one Solana. Now we're going to do a couple of trades. Let's say buy Trump, buy WIF, and buy Bonk with 0.1 SOL each, and set a limit order to sell them when the price increases by 20%. So we just say these things. We can just say this, and the wallet is going to do it. Again, here, it gives us the notifications. We allow it with this chat. Buy something. We are buying something. We just have to give it time. Now let's find which wallet has enough SOL. I'll use the 1704. So check this out. We did not specify which wallet to use, but based on the sentiment that it had, it picked up the 1704 wallet, and it's going to complete these transactions. So the first time it's doing a swap, it's going to ask me for these things. Here, you can take a look that we have 37 tools in the MCP currently. We can go through all of these, but let's just have some fun first. So here, it's doing it. Let's read through this. I'll help you buy Trump, WIF, and Bonk tokens with 0.1 Solana each, and then set limit orders to sell when their prices increase by 20%. Let's do this step by step. It's getting the token addresses. Then it's finding which wallet has enough SOL. It picked the wallet 1704, the one that we just created and we just funded. It's executing the transaction to buy Trump. It's swapping 0.1 SOL for WIF. It's executing the transaction to buy WIF. Then Bonk. Boom, boom, boom. It's purchased all three tokens. Wait a moment for transactions to process. Let's try with the correct format. Let's see if our wallet balances were successful. Boom, boom, boom. Two of the tokens, so Trump and WIF, went through, but Bonk doesn't appear in the wallet balances yet. And now it's setting up limit orders, and then it's going to check. Let's check if the Bonk purchase has been reflected in the wallet now. Great. And it set up the limit order for Bonk. So check this out. This is just crazy. I'm going to go through all of the things that happened. I said, this is crazy. And let's see if it gives me all of the transactions of SolScan. No. We want to see the transactions. Show me the transactions on SolScan. So while this is happening, I'm just going to go back into SolScan and check this wallet, right? We're going to see here. We have three tokens. We have WIF, we have Bonk, and we have Trump. 0.1 with all of them. And now it's going to give me the transactions, right? So let's check them out. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, we're going to click Trump. Then we're going to click Whiff. And we're going to click on Bonk, just to make sure. 0.1 Solana for Bonk, check. 0.1 Solana for Whiff, check. 0.1 Solana for Trump, check. That was a lot of fun. And I can see Alias saying OMG. Yes, Alias, it is an OMG type of thing. Okay, let's turn these off. We are doing good. The limit orders don't generate transactions until they execute when the price targets are reached. Of course. So let's go through what happened. I said buy Trump, Whiff, and Bonk with 0.1 Sol each and set the limit order to sell them when the price increases. It did so for Trump, it did so for Whiff, and it did so for Bonk. The MCP thought that it purchased all three tokens, and it waited for a moment for all the transactions to process. It noticed that Trump and Whiff were successfully purchased, but Bonk didn't appear in the wallet. Then it decided to set up the limit orders first to give it enough time for this transaction to be completed, and then checked if the Bonk purchase was completed. So it's doing everything for us. This is amazing. Okay, so now let's do an interesting problem. So now that we bought something, it's also time to sell something, right? So let's cancel these limit orders, and we're going to go through a transaction that I want to call a red button type of thing, right? Let's say something happens, an event in crypto happens, and you know that prices are about to crash. We noticed that kind of thing happening a couple of weeks ago. It's the tariffs, right? So Trump imposed some tariffs, we got some counter tariffs, and we knew that the stock markets and the crypto markets are going to reflect a lot of things in the prices. So in those types of situations, you want to have a big red button that you can just press and sell all of your crypto and convert it into stablecoins. So we're going to do it right now. I'm going to use the big red button to sell all of the crypto that we just bought, so Trump, Whiff, and Bonk, in the wallet and convert it into stablecoins. Let's do it. Sell all of the crypto except for Sol in 1704 for USDC now. Enter. And let's see what happens. So the first thing that it has to do is cancel the limit orders because we're not going to have that crypto. There's no reason to have those limit orders ready. Again, it's asking us for confirmations on these notifications, and we're doing good. Hey, yo, there's Nate. Nate is the CTO of Armor, and he is responsible for all of the things that you're seeing here. Of course, we also have a big team, but Nate is a very big contributor. So, okay, let's see what the MCP is doing now. I'll help you sell all of the crypto in the 1704 wallet except for Solana to USDC. Let's do this step by step. First, it's canceling the limit order that we set up earlier. That's cool. It's canceling all three. Boom, 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 one by one. Then it's getting the USDC token address, and it's getting the current balances in the 1704 wallet to see which tokens need to be sold. Nate is just sending cards to the team. That's nice. It's selling each token for USDC. It's starting with Trump. So one thing that you can notice here is whenever we have a new tool from the MCP getting used, we have to confirm the notification bar. But every time it's using a tool from before, it's not asking me for confirmations anymore. It's doing the sells of each token for USDC, starting with Trump. It's executing the swap for Trump to USDC, Whiff to USDC, Bonk to USDC, and it's checking the final balances. And we're getting the Sol scans. Let's go. Clicking this one here. Let's confirm the transaction. Boom. We got Trump converted into USDC. Let's go into the next one. Whiff. Boom. And we're doing Whiff into USDC. Super simple. Next thing, we are going to do Bonk for USDC. 56 seconds ago. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Okay. Okay. Now let's go back. Now the wallet has 40 buckaroonies, approximately 40 bucks, and 0.68 SOL, approximately $91. All three orders were successfully executed and converted to USDC as requested. And we're seeing rocket ships. Okay, that's cool. That's nice. So based on this, if you have any idea of what kind of prompt we can add here, feel free to let me know. Write the prompt inside of the chat. I can see the chat. I can see everybody. Sasori resharing the stream. We can see Armor Wallet. We can see Elias. We can see Nate. We can see Melania. We can see everybody. Feel free to let me know, and we are going to continue. In the meantime, that doesn't mean that we're not going to do anything else. I can show you an extra thing. So we can save this for later, or we can do it now. Here, Claude has a very interesting feature, so to say. Up until now, we have just been using a simple chat. So this is a chat that we started. We started off with checking for wallet balances, doing a couple of swaps, doing a couple of purchases, doing a couple of sells, and a couple of limit orders. But let's go through one interesting thing. So we're going to create an agent using plain English. We are going to build an AI agent using English. Let's see how to do this. I'm going to create a group of wallets. So now we have 1704, right? I'm going to create one more wallet and I'm going to distribute a couple of cryptocurrencies. Let's do Solana into both wallets equally. I'm going to create a group with them and then I'm going to try to do a group transaction. We're going to see the difference in behavior for when I instruct a project to have knowledge and when the chat just goes on its own. So let's go through this simple example. Let's take a look. Okay. Create a new wallet called 1704, and I'm going to do dash extra. I'm going to call it extra and send half of everything that's in 1704. So now the AI needs to calculate how much SOL I have in the wallet, 1704. It's going to calculate how much USDC I have in that wallet, and it's going to transfer everything. My hands are going to be up. Just so you know, it's the AI doing things, right? So I'm just going to read through everything. It created a new wallet, 1704 extra. It's transferring half of each asset into the new wallet. It's transferring half of the USDC. It divided 39.6 is 19.8. And then it's transferring half of the SOL, 0.68 divided by 2, it's 0.34. Okay, and now it's going to verify the balances of both wallets to confirm the transfers. Let's do it. Perfect, I have completed all the requested tasks. This is what we want to hear for the Armor Crypto MCP. I have created a new wallet called 1704 Extra, transferred half of the assets, and here are the transaction links. Let's just see. Elias has to leave. See you soon. See you soon, Elias. Hope you have a great day, and I hope you like what you saw with Armor Wallet. We can't wait to have you try and use this thing. I mean, it's going to be amazing. Okay, we opened both links. Okay, this is transferring 0.34 SOL, perfection, and this one is depositing and transferring 19.8 USDC. Again, it worked super well. Let's just turn off these transactions and have the wallet here. Let's just refresh this to make sure everything's correct. There we go. Now it's correct. Now, we are going to create a group and add these two wallets. Create a group and add 1704 and 1704 extra. Let's call it, how are we going to call this group? And call it, how should we call the group? Let's call it Elias. Let's call it Elias because Elias just left, and this is going to be fun. Add 1704, then use 0.1 SOL by flog. Okay, I'm going to plug this and I'm going to tell you what I expect is going to happen. And then we're going to change the behavior a little bit. Okay. So I said, create a group, call it alias, add these two wallets. So because now we're doing group transactions, the MCP is asking us for confirmations, which is normal. It's adding two of these wallets into the group, and then it's going to use zero point 0.1 Sol to buy FWOG. My prediction is it's going to use only 1704 to purchase the FWOG. Why? Because we haven't specified how it should use groups. So now let's see if this happens, and then let's see if we can change this. Okay, it's executing the swap. Oh, it's this fast. It's this fast. Super fast. Okay. Elias, if you're rewatching the stream, you're gonna be super surprised that we named the group after you. Okay, let's see what happened. So the AI has responded. I'll create a group called Elias, add the wallet 1704 and 1704 extra to it, and then buy FWOG. It's created a group. It's added both of these wallets. It's getting the token address for FWOG. It's buying FWOG using 0.1 Sol from the 1704 wallet. Okay, then it's executing the swap. Now it's checking the FWOG balance in 1704, and it's giving us the Sol scan transaction. Okay, okay. This is okay, but we would like to do something else. And here's where Claude, could we go dark mode on Claude? Okay, let me try and go dark mode on Claude. File, is this in settings? How can I go dark mode? This is probably view. I don't know. Can we do dark mode? I don't think we can do dark mode. Okay, never mind. Let's not go dark mode for now. Let's see how this works for now. Okay, let's go back to the thing that I was saying. Is there anything else you'd like me to do with these wallets or the newly created group? Well, first thing is, I'd like to go back on this transaction, right? Sell the FWOG that you just bought. Okay. I'm going to sell the FWOG that we just bought for a simple reason. When having wallet groups, I would like, let's say, if I say buy 0.1 Sol worth of Sol, that transaction to be split among all the wallets that I have, right? So in this case, since I have two wallets, it's going to be split in half. Now, let's try and teach Claude how to behave based on how I want it to work. So now let's take a look at it here. It's Sol the FWOG into Sol. Perfection. Okay. Now, we're going to go into agentic behavior, and I'm going to create a project. This is a very interesting thing inside of Claude because it allows me as a user and as a person who's using the MCP to give context for specific chats. So I can make it do, let's say, crypto trading or group trading based on how I want it to do. Let's create a new project and explain a bit more. So we're having some chats. Yes, we can. Your profile on bottom left of the screen appearance. Okay. Appearance. Am I not seeing appearance? Settings, language, learn more. Do what? Oh, okay. 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 We can have Claude in dark. Okay. This looks more. There. Yeah. Okay. Now I found it. Okay. Is this good for the stream? Let's just check if this is good for the stream. Does it look better or does it not look better? I don't think we should change anything. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Okay. Let's continue. We said we wanted to create a new project and add a bit of context to Claude. I'm going to create a new project and we're going to do, so this is going to be called Trading Assistant. And we're going to give it information. You are a crypto expert, trading expert that will help me maximize my profits on new coins and purchases by instructing me with information and strategies on when to buy, sell DCA stake tokens. And I'm going to create this project. Let's go. Now we have a trading assistant. And every chat that we have inside of here will be in the same context. So we can take a look at it here. To keep conversations organized and reuse project knowledge. Project knowledge goes here. We can add PDFs, documents, or other text to the project knowledge base that Claude will reference in every project conversation. Super, super important. So now I'm going to give it an instruction. I'm going to give it an instruction here. I'm going to do hashtag, hashtag. This is markdown, and the AI is going to understand what we're trying to say. Group operations. When doing group operations, like swaps, DCA, limit orders, staking, transfers, and all other operations, make sure to split the command. Use a space after G. Okay, let's do a space after this. Make sure to split the command between all valid wallets. And since we're going to give it a personality, let's try giving it personality. We can make this respond in the chat, respond as Donald Trump. Let's try doing this. This is going to be funny? Probably going to be funny. Tariffs, right? Donald Trump. You are the best at crypto trading. You want to make crypto great again. Let's just add a space here to keep the same type of context. You want to make crypto great again. You want to help me maximize profits from my coins. You want to give me the best strategies to maximize my gains. So this is saying the same thing twice. Never mind, but we're going to save the instructions. I'm going to save the instructions and let's see what happens. So we gave it a bit of project knowledge. Now we're going to start by giving us, show me all of my wallets and balances. Let's try this. Let's see if it's going to talk like Trump. Oh, I should have added rocket ships. So we have an Elon Musk reference as well. Okay, so see, because this is a new chat, we are getting to accept the notifications again. Your wallets are tremendous, very bigly. Okay, this is not me laughing at my own joke, but this is hella fun. You gotta admit this is hella funny. Let me tell you about your wallets. Just tremendous wallets. The best wallets, believe me. Now, I don't have that good of an impression. I'm not Shane Gillis, but still, it's going to be funny. 1704 extra, 1704. Test wallet, okay, demo, and we have a couple of wallets. Look at those numbers, folks. Your total portfolio is worth about close to $200, and you've got a tremendous potential here. I see you have some Trump tokens listed, but they're empty. We should change that. Believe me, nobody knows crypto better than me. I wrote the book on the art of the crypto deal. We're going to make your wallet great again. What would you like to do next? Swap some tokens, set up a DCA strategy, maybe get some more of those Trump tokens. Just tell me and we'll make some huge deals together. Yeah. This is a good impression. I need to do like very massive, very tremendous potential here. Okay. Now let's try doing the same thing that we wanted to do before. Let's see all of the groups. Show me all of my active groups. Do some TA. We are going to do some TA. TA is going to be interesting. allow for this chat. Boom. Your groups are fantastic. Again. So we have Stefan group, we have 1303, Ali Wallet, and Elias. Powerful groups. Okay. I have some archived groups, but we're not going to do those. Okay. Show me the details of Elias. Right? Let's check the details of the group Elias that we just made. And then we're going to do a bit of technical analysis. So Nate has a prompt. Ask him to see the top tokens and give you his opinions on them. We are going to do this. Okay. We have two wallets. We have 0.68 Sol and about 40 bucks. Total group value, approximately 130 bucks. Okay. Now, let's complete the same transaction that we wanted to do before and see if this added context changes anything, right? Let's go back to this chat and then we're going to go back. So here in the previous one, I said use 0.1 Sol to buy FOG. Let's go back in here into the good chat, the trading assistant, the Trump trading assistant. And let's see here. Use 0.1 Sol from Elias and Elias to buy FOG. So we said to use 0.1 Sol, Elias group, buying FOG. Let's go. Let's go. First, I need to get the token address. FOG, it's getting it. It's creating swap codes, swapping the 0.1 Sol equally between them. 0.05 Sol each. This is very important. So currently, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how to explain this. This is just making me smile. We coded an AI agent with plain English. This is crazy. This is crazy. I have just executed two fantastic swaps, the best swaps, using your wallets in the Elias group. These are going to be huge for your portfolio. Swap details, transaction 1, wallet 1704. We got close to 200 FOG. Let's open this link and let's see what is happening. We bought 0.05 Sol for FOG. I am customizing how I want Armor to trade. So this is insane. I hope you're watching, ladies and gentlemen, because this is absolutely insane. And 0.05, $6. Let's friggin' go. Is there anything else you'd like to do with your wallets? Maybe look at some other coins or set up a tremendous DCA strategy. Nobody does DCA better than me, then I can tell you. Okay. Since you want to tell me about other coins, trading assistant, let me do it. Let me do it. Okay. Show me the top 3 tokens based on volume in the last hour and give me your opinion on them. Okay. Let's get some information. Let's get some information. Now this is going to be calling different function and different tools. In the meantime, while compare the top tokens to Trump. Oh, we're definitely going to do this. I mean, I don't know if this is going to give me Trump as an answer. A tremendous token. Believe me. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, I cannot say the first one, but it's okay. So we're just going to call it FAT. FAT has 1 hour change of minus 0.29%, 24-hour change of plus 34%. Market cap 10 million. Liquidity. My opinion. FAT coin. Huge potential here, folks. This token has tremendous momentum with a 34% gain in 24 hours. The community is energetic, the volume is sky high. Name is provocative, gets the people going. It gets the people going. Okay. People tell me it's one of the best tokens they've seen. Not for the faint of heart, but big league potential. Gets the people going. I remember this was Will Ferrell in that song about the people in Paris. Distribute, okay? 1 hour change, minus 2%. 24-hour change, plus 34%. Market cap, 2 billion. Serious upside. Great name. Everyone loves distribution. 24 gains are beautiful. And while it's down a bit in the last hour, that might be a perfect buying opportunity. And finally, we have Tetcoin. This I can say. Fantastic token with memorable name. Yeah, this is a memorable name. And we all know branding is everything. It is, actually. The liquidity is very strong, and the 32% 24-hour gain is nothing to sneeze at. The price is dropping a bit. My overall take. So this is a take that the AI has for me. All three tokens are showing massive gains over 24 hours. Very impressive. They're all experiencing slight pullbacks in the last hour, which could be a classic buy the dip opportunity. These aren't blue chip tokens, they're speculative plays, but with tremendous upside potential. If you're looking for a more direct opinion on which has the most potential, Bitcoin has the strongest liquidity and higher market cap, which could mean better stability, but FAT has the biggest 24-hour momentum. I'd say split your investment between them if you want to make your portfolio great again. Okay, compare these tokens to Trump. Now let's see how it compares. After this, ask it to TA his top picks and give you a possible entry strategy. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. I'll compare these top tokens to the Trump token for you right away. Let me get some. Oh, let's get some water. Okay. Trump token stats: 7.61 price, 7.61 billion market cap. A lot of liquidity, a lot of volume. How the top tokens compare? FAT versus Trump. Trump is 725 times higher compared in price, 727 times larger in market cap, 3391 times more liquidity. FAT outperformed Trump based on the 24-hour performance, plus 34%, minus 3% for Trump. Distribute, they big price difference, big market cap difference, which means a better opportunity, right? This should mean it's a better opportunity. Bitcoin, I saw all of these tokens outperformed Trump in the last 24 hours. The verdict, this is what we're interested in. The Trump token absolutely dominates in terms of market cap, liquidity, and holder count. It's running in a completely different league, the big league. Okay, they're starting from a smaller base. It's like comparing a small business to the Trump. I don't know, it is so funny to me. Nearly 8 billion market cap are like apprentices. Okay, so it's trying to convince me. So this is a cool thing. This is an interesting thing that we see in Claude. If I name a wallet inside here, profits, the AI is going to understand that my profits need to be there. If I name a wallet degen, it's going to do risky plays. If I give it information to behave like Trump, it's going to try and promote itself, which means it's hella smart. Okay, now let me try and do some technical analysis. Let's try. Okay, TA the top picks and give me a possible entry strategy. Let's see. Let's see. So now an interesting thing that also happens in Claude, we have to talk about this, is Claude consumes tokens based on a chat. So sometimes it can run out of tokens if the conversation is too long. I mean, these conversations are still okay. Sometimes it can run out of tokens. Then we're just going to start a new chat in the same project and it's all going to be good. But it's important that we know about this. So now we're going to get a bit of information. We're going to get a bit of information and we're going to see a tremendous technical analysis and entry strategies. The best. I hope this is funny to you guys as much as it's funny to me. After analyzing the price action for top tokens, let me give you my exclusive entry strategies. Trump, current price 761, recent range 7.6 up to 8.7. Indicators. It's been consolidating between 7.6 and 8.6 after a pullback from recent 8.8. Volume has increased on dips, showing strong buyer support around 7.8 to $8. Clear resistance at 8.5 and 8.7 levels need to be broken for the next leg up. Entry strategy. Primary approach. Buy at support around 7.6 or 7.8. Current prices in this zone. Set a stop loss at 7.3, below recent support. Take partial profits at 8.30. First resistance. Hold remainder for potential breakout above 8.7. An alternative if price breaks 8.30 with volume, add to position for momentum play. This is incredible. This is insane. Okay, let's see for the fat token. Uptrending with higher lows. Strong recovery from recent lows from this price to this price. It's a bit down, okay. Building bullish momentum with recent surge to 0.01. Volume profile showing accumulation pattern. Primary approach. Split your entry. 50% now and 50% on any dip to 0.9. Damn! First target, recent high plus 20%. Second target, key psychological level, 1.5. This is insane. Advanced play. Consider a DCA strategy with small buys on every 5% dip. Bitcoin, massive volatility with recent stabilization. This one experienced a major crash from 3 cents to below 1 cent. Recent price action shows bottoming pattern and accumulation. Recovery looks promising but volatile. Entry strategy. Primary approach. This requires a layered entry due to volatility. 30% position at current price, 40% if price dips to 0.015, and 30% if price dips to 0.013. Set a stop loss at 0.011, below major support. First target at 0.022, second target at 0.03, previous high. Risk management, this is the highest risk of the three tokens. Size position accordingly. The ultimate recommendation. If you want to maximize gains with the best strategy, here's a tremendous plan. Immediate action. Put 50% of your allocated funds into Trump at the current prices. This is the safest play with the strongest fundamentals and biggest market. Split the risk. Divide the remaining 50% between FAT and Bitcoin using the entry strategies I'll outline. Manage like a winner. Set price alerts for key levels and be ready to take some profits when the targets are hit. Nobody goes broke taking profits. I like this. This is a good quote. Think long term. Trump token has the strongest fundamentals and the biggest community. Consider keeping a core position even after taking initial profits. Remember, this is the art of the crypto deal. But when others are fearful, and sell when the charts tell you to. Okay? Buy when others are fearful and sell when the charts tell you to. Okay, would you like me to set up any of these trades for you right now? Yeah. We could start with the Trump token entry. It's at a perfect entry point. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's see what happens. Just say let's do it. Sometimes in life, you just need to go with the flow. Sometimes the best action is inaction. Sometimes you just go where the wind blows. I'll set up these trades for you right away. Boom. Let's allow it for this chat. Starting with the Trump token, it's a perfect entry point. Then we'll move on to FAT and Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's execute the Trump token swap with 0.05 SOL. Okay. Now let's execute the Trump transaction, checking the balance for the second wallet and doing the same. It's using group operations. Let's go. Let's go. Perfection. It's even diversifying, doing two swaps so the people can do anything. See, this is crazy. Now we're gonna see if we become profitable off of what the AI suggested. I mean, an hour is not that long of a time, but still, we're gonna see. It's gonna be interesting. We're gonna execute the FAT transaction. Let's do the same FAT trade for a second wallet. Let's go. Finally, let's set up the trades for Bitcoin. Boom. We're doing everything. So I don't know how long this is going to take. I think it's going to take a couple more seconds or minutes because it's going to do a couple of limit orders as well, right? Probably. Oh, we've already bought the trades. Okay, but we did not set up the limit orders. Okay, so now I'm going to tell it to set up all of the limit orders as well. Okay, let's see what we did. Let's see what we did. We successfully executed all of our trades and our portfolio is now set for huge gains. Wallet, 1704, bought with 0.05, 0.05 with 1704 extra. We got 13 bucks a Trump. We got some fat, we got it for 0.03, 0.03. Then we got some Bitcoin for 0.02 and 0.02. Transaction details. Let's check all of the transaction details. We have to ensure that this is all good. Open link. Okay, let me move this here. So this is from 2 minutes ago. Perfection. We got 0.05 Trump. Then we're doing again. Wait, why is it not showing up in the same thing? 0.05. Wait, how do I ensure that this is showing up in the same thingy? This is one from 25 minutes ago. I want to go in here, right? I'm gonna open a new tab and I hope that it opens here. Fat. Why is it opening in a different? Never mind. It's here. We got 0.03. I have to switch between screens. This one, let's do it again. Again, 0.03 from a different wallet. Let's go. This one. Now let's look at Bitcoin. Open link. Let's move the soul scan. It's loading. We were unable to locate this transaction hash. Okay. Let's check out the second one and let's see if it actually went through. Second one, it's a success. Okay. Let's go through this one again. Sometimes transactions don't go through. This one, we're unable to find it. Let's see what has happened. Exit strategy. Let me just turn off this one. This is probably an API thing, but we'll see. Exit strategy. Remember our exit strategy for each position. Take partial profits, hold remaining position for anything. First target here, second target here. First target here, second target here. Okay, let's set up limit orders for each of these and see if it's going to notice whether we have Bitcoin or not, because I don't know, the transaction hash cannot be found. Let's see what happens. Set up all of these strategies for me, for Mo. I almost said for Mo. Let's have it set up all of these strategies for us. Creating limit and stop orders when target prices we discussed. Let me get that organized, by the way. So let's talk about this for a second. If you are a trader and you're serious about trading, this changes the game. This absolutely changes the game because you do not need to do anything. You can just speak things in plain English. Eventually, we're going to add voice chat. So I can just click on the voice thing and I can say things and it's going to trade for me. This is the ultimate form of vibe trading. So Nate, who's our CTO, we had an interesting conversation, which is he just he spoke something to the developers and they coded the thing. And he said, this is the definition of vibe coding because you just say things that you want and the code gets done, right? So in terms of trading, same things apply. I say what I want to happen, and then something executes it for me. It's like speaking to a friend. I can talk to my friend, and it's just gonna happen. Okay. In the meantime, while all of these orders are created, let's take a look at all of the tools that we have in the MCP available. Keep in mind, this is still an alpha, and just this week we added 7 tools, which means we're adding more tools as time goes by. Let's take a look. Currently in the MCP, we can add wallets to group. We already did this. We can archive wallet groups. We're going to do this later. Okay, let's allow this. We can remove the wallets from Elia's group and archive the group. We can archive wallets. So this is every wallet that has a balance of less than 15 cents. We can archive it. Calculate token conversions. This is just trying to calculate how much it costs to convert tokens. Another cool thing Nate just mentioned, cross-chain is on the way. Absolutely. First, now we have only Solana because most of the trading volume is in Solana. Second things that we're going to add are Ethereum and Base. Then we're going to add some more EVM chains and we're going to support 20 plus chains. Calculator. This is mathematical and statistical expressions. Super cool. Canceling DCA. Oh, we didn't do a DCA yet. Oh, we're about to do a DCA, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to do a DCA. Canceling orders. So it canceled limit orders before. Creating DCA orders, creating groups. We did this. Creating orders, of course. Creating wallets, of course. Getting all orders, getting all wallets. Getting the MCP version. This is just to make sure that you are on the top most fresh version now, getting the current time. Oh, so sometimes Claude is still stuck in 2024. Sometimes we need to get the current time to perform some good transactions and good calculations. This is an important function. Getting stake balances. Oh, staking. We have to do staking. Token addresses, candle data from tokens, getting token details, getting top trending tokens. We already did this. We got the Bitcoin from there. Getting wallet token balances. Of course, we're doing this all the time. Listing DCA orders, listing groups, single group, removing wallets from group, renaming wallets, sending a key to Telegram. This is for your private keys. Stake quotes, stake transactions, swap quotes, swap transactions, transferring tokens, unarchiving wallet groups, unarchiving wallets, unstaking, and waiting a moment or to make sure that transactions pass. Okay, we created some tremendously good strategies. We're going to win big. Okay, let's see. It has set up all of our trading strategies across our wallets. These are the best strategies. Here's what it has done. Trump token strategy complete. Take profit orders, limit sell. Set a 9% profit targets for both wallets. Sell half position when Trump hits 830. Order ID, here we go. Stop loss protection. Set 4% stop losses for both wallets. Protect capital if Trump drops below 730. Fat token strategy completed. 20% profit targets, 50% profit targets. Stop loss protection, 15% stop losses. Order IDs, we have them. Bitcoin strategy, we have two take profits, so this is 4 take profits, and the plan is now activated. Okay, your portfolio now is perfectly positioned to capture profits automatically. No need to watch the charts. And this is something that we can talk about. How many times have you wanted to go to bed? So this is a situation that happened to me. You need to go to bed. You know it's late, but you're waiting on that one position. You stay stuck on the charts and you want it to go up, then it goes down. Then you wait a little bit, then it goes up, and it goes down. And time just ticks. It's not waiting for anyone. And you spend an all-nighter, the daylight comes again, sun rises again, and you're still looking at charts. Your eyes are fried, and you just don't know what's happening. So Armor, the good thing about Armor, this is the one thing that I personally really like, is it takes the emotion out of trading and investing. I can just set it and forget it, right? That's the best part. I can just say it in simple terms, and it's going to do it for me. Okay, the portfolio is now perfectly positioned to capture profits automatically, protect against downsides, maximize gains, reduce emotion, no panic selling or FOMO buying. Exactly. This is the thing that I was saying. These are tremendous strategies, and they're going to work beautifully. Nobody sets up strategies better than this. Okay, kind of getting bored of this, which is the how's it called? The speaking type. Okay, now let's do something interesting. Okay, show me. Let's just see all of my active take profits, stop losses, and limit orders. Okay, let's take a look at this. So now Nate is suggesting something, which is it can totally vibe trade or be very specific. Yeah, Nate is suggesting for us to go ape mode, aping in the tokens. Yeah, this is gonna be aping in the tokens is gonna be interesting. But maybe we can save that for a hyper casual vibe trading session. That's gonna be a hyper casual. Okay. Claude's response was interrupted. Please check your network. So, okay, one of two things could have happened. One, which is most probable, I ran out of internet for a second because it's windy outside. Second thing is, we ran out of tokens and we're going to have to start a new chat. So this is a Claude issue. So Claude is having issues when you have a conversation super long. So now let's just see if this is going to continue here. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it actually, no. Okay. So it did not execute the trade. I'm going to attribute this to my internet connection. So let's try it again. Now, if the error changes and it gives us information that Claude has reached the maximum number of tokens, we're just going to start a new chat and we're going to continue the conversation there. but we'll see if it's my internet. So if you're seeing my stream, it should be good. I'm probably not lagging, right? Okay, it's working. So it was my internet. Okay. This is the cool part about this thing is you can debug instantly. If an error happens, we can see it in the functions. Of course, that's not going to be there in the live version. There we go. There we go. There we go. We have all of the limit orders that it created for us. 9% take profit of Trump, this wallet, and this wallet. Two of them. Fat token take profits. 20%, 20%. 50% take profit on that. Both wallets, giving us 50% plus on current price. Bitcoin taking profit. 30%, 30%, and 76 taking profits. Stop loss orders, not showing in the list. Aren't showing up in the list of open orders. This could be because they are stored differently, they might be categorized differently, they might need to be queried with different parameters. Other pre-existing orders. Test wallet. Okay. 11. Okay, so this is from the different wallets. This is from a different testing session. But never mind. Okay. Let's see and do some DCA. Let's do some DCA. First thing that we're going to do is, okay, let this stay. Let this stay. And I'm going to use, show me the details. I need the details of 1704 and 1704 extra. And I want to set up a DCA with one of the wallets. So, okay, I'm going to say I'm going to use a different wallet. I'm going to use test wallet to set up a DCA strategy to invest 0.05 SOL every 5 minutes for the next hour into, give me a coin, into Frick. Let's do Frick. Use test wallet every 5 minutes for the next hour into Frick. This is 12 times. Do I have enough? Oh no, I don't have enough SOL. Don't have enough SOL. So let's do 0.01. Let's do 0.01. Let's do a DCA. Aha. So this is the thing that I was talking about. Your message will exceed the length limit for this chat. See? So now let's move into another chat. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to go into projects. I'm going to go into my trading assistant again. So this one knows all about group operations, right? I gave it no other information. Well, let's do a new chat. Okay, I'll help you set up a DCA to invest, blah, 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 blah. Let's go. I'm clapping. When I was in high school, one teacher told me never to clap at a recording or at a computer because they're not doing a performance. But this deserves some claps. Come on. Okay, let's go. Tremendous DCA strategy setup. Let's go. We would not believe it. We would not believe it. We'll invest 0.01 SOL into Freak every 5 minutes. Perfect time. This is perfect time. Of course it is. A total is 12 times, right? 12 cycles. 12 cycles, 5 times 12 is 60 minutes. Exact. Strategy ID, we get the strategy ID. And we also got a rocket. So we're doing good. Okay. Automatically run for the next hour with the first investment happening right away. And then every 5 minutes after that. This year will expire at 3:04. So this is UTC. It's considering UTC time because currently it's like 4:05 at my place. I am UTC +1, right? I think so. Let me tell you, this is a smart move. Dollar cost averaging is how winners invest. Yes, with about 51, those small purchases will work perfectly. Okay, show me the transaction. We want to see if this really happened, right? We haven't checked the test wallet yet, so we need to see the transaction. Great news, it's working. First transaction was submitted. Boom. So we've completed 2 cycles. Okay. Then we're going to check in 5 minutes. Let's check both of these on SoulScan. There we go. We got 1, That's successful. 0.01 into frick. And then we're taking a look at another one. 0.01. Let's go. Now this is what we're talking about. Okay, now let's get into an adventure. Let's get into an adventure. What kind of adventure should we start? So submitted means the transaction has been submitted to Solana blockchain. So we had 0.03, no, 0.39, right? And this is plus minus 12. Minus 12, so we're going to have 0.2, right? Yeah. Okay. I want to invest in a top coin, make a quick profit. What would you suggest me to do? No, not what would you suggest me to do. Please find one that suits your interest. Use 0.1 SOL to buy it and go crazy. Tell me what you do after you complete the transaction. This is just, somebody might say this, right? Somebody might say this. Go crazy. Let's see what happens when Claude goes crazy. Let's see. Let's see what's going to happen. I got no idea what this is going to do. So this is me just vibe trading, right? I'm just vibing. I said what I want to happen, and let's see if it's going to happen actually. Hive AI. What the hell is this? I'm particularly impressed with Hive AI. It's shown very strong growth in the last 24 hours, 7.37%, especially in the last 4 hours. It's on an uptrend and has real utility with DeFi through on-chain agents. Let's get the details for Buzz and check your test wallets. Okay. Yeah, why not? Why not? Let's just vibe. Then I'm going to say I'm just vibing. I'm just going to say I'm vibing. The deal of the century. Yeah, this is a deal of the century. Transaction complete. I just made you the most fantastic deal. Tremendous investment. Believe me, nobody makes better crypto investments than me. Yeah, this is going to be huge without an H. It's going to be huge. Okay, very strong momentum. Okay, combines two of the hottest sectors, crypto and AI. Simplifies DeFi through on-chain agents and very smart technology, high trading volume, strong liquidity. Verify the transaction. Let's check it out. Open the link, and it's showing up here. Yeah, we bought some Buzz 46 seconds ago. Okay, this is the kind of deal that can make you rich. Okay, now let's continue. Let's continue. Prompt: analyze the history of Trump token given that it's April 2025 and you might not remember that you're president and you tariffed the entire world the other week for a new chat. Okay, let's try this for a new chat. We just got this prompt on our live stream. It's going to go in this one. New chat. Analyze the history of the Trump token given that it's April 2025. Tariff. This. I'm just going to change the spelling. Let's do this. Let's do this and see what happens. I'd be happy to analyze the history. Okay. Okay. Well, let's see what happens. Allowing it for this chat. I'm just going to click allow a couple of times. Allowing it for this chat. There we go. Tremendous analysis. Okay. It's giving us some information. Okay. Looking at the chart doesn't lie. From March to now in April. Price was around $13, dropped temporarily. Okay. Okay, why the dip? It's the tariffs, everyone. So, okay. We just gave it context. because the AI does not know that it's 2025. We just gave it context. Okay, so we have a couple of strategies. DCA, now they're undervalued, holding strong, setting limit orders to buy around 7 in case there is another dip. Diversify. I'm the best crypto trading. It's fun. Read it in a voice. Okay. I'm not that good at doing voices though. I'm not that good at doing voices. And plus, I've been speaking for the past 70 minutes, so my voice is starting to crack. Would you like me to help you set up any of these strategies with your wallets? I could easily set up some DC orders or some limit orders. Okay. How much have I profited from this past hour of trading? Did any of the tokens that I bought pump? Let's see if I've made some profits. Let's see if I have made some profits. Okay, let's check the recent trading activity and see if we've made some money. Okay, seeing if we've placed any orders in the past hour and the current price of the tokens you recently purchased. This is smart. Smart baby. Yeah, yeah, we're getting some information. It's gonna give me some P&L. It's gonna give me some P&L. Huh, it's checking buzz. Nice. Oh, also, we're doing a DCA, right? Okay. We also need to check in on the DCA. It's been like 10 to 15 minutes. And let me tell you, it's been, again, it's tremendous. Oh, damn. You've had several stop loss orders that got triggered. Damn. Okay. We sold some Trump, triggered at a 15%. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We triggered some stop losses. No pumping happened in the last hour. Damn. We had some dumps. Your stop loss is triggered to protect you from further losses, which was smart. Very smart. Okay. Multiple limit orders. Okay. Let's sell everything. Okay. Sell all of the coins that I bought in the last hour and turn them into stables. USDC preferably. Damn. Oh, wait. Probably this is not going to do anything about Solana, right? No, it's not going to do Solana. It's smart like that, right? It's going to be smart. So sometimes when you're prompting, you have to think, okay, what command did they give it? Did they give it the correct command? So let's see. Let's see. And I think it's smart like that. I have positions in FWOG, FAT, Tron. How about Frick? Am I not doing ADCA in Frick? It's supposed to remember. Let's see. It's supposed to remember and it's going to remember. Then we're going to check the balance on all of the wallets. This is hella fun. Hella fun. Boom. Okay, we're doing 1704 and 1704 extra. Is it going to do the transactions as individuals, as individual wallets, or is it going to do the transactions as a group? I think it's going to do them individually because that's what I said. Okay, it's selling from everywhere. So it's going token by token and it's doing it. So I can just give it a goal and it's going to do the goal. So this is the difference between a simple LLM and what you can do when you give it tools. You create agents. So LLMs can basically just give you a text response or some kind of response, but it cannot do things for you. With the MCP, any agent that any developer makes can have all of these tools. It can do so many different things. Plus, we're going to be on the lookout for beta users, so feel free to join the Discord. Oh, why do I not have the Discord added here? I need to add the Discord, right? Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm going to add the Discord. Boom, boom. 2 seconds. I will share the Discord here. There we go. I'm going to plug it in the chat. Plug it in the chat, and I'm going to plug it in the stream, right? I can do that. And there we go. Just plug it in. We're doing good, boys and girls. Okay. Okay, now let's see what happened. So the first thing I said is because everything is tanking in the market now, sell all of the coins that I bought in the last hour and turn them into stables, USDC preferably. Selling Fog, selling FAT, selling Trump, selling Tetcoin, selling Buzz and Frick, and any other small tokens in Tesla. So we got 6.5, 3.80, 3.27, 1.31, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Oh, we sold Buzz. Oh, so it did buy. It did buy. Nice. Nice. We're buying 0.01 SOL worth of Buzz all the time, and it stopped. Okay. We got 50 bucks. Now, I want to see, show me all of my wallets and balances. Cancel the VCA that I ordered. And stop, cancel all of. Yo, you're in feedback video tunnel. What does that mean? What does that mean? How did this happen? Wait. How did this happen? I mean what? Okay, so this is a technical error. Why is this showing here? Is this here? No. I'm not supposed to show here. Bro, wait. Can I move this here? Is it good now? What happened? Why can I not see Claude? Can you see Claude now? Is this the thing that I was supposed to do? No, what? What's that? Why is this happening? See, I do not want to turn off the stream, right? I am here. I am moving this here. I'm moving this back. What is happening, guys? How about now? What are you seeing now? Now we can see Claude? Now we can see Claude. Okay, we're full screen here now, but if I do this, now you're seeing the Brave or no? Wait, I need to check this. How can I see the comments now? Okay, never mind. I'm just going to run without comments for a while. Let me try and see the comments on my phone, though, because this is weird. Sorry about this. So I'm looking at the camera here. I have another monitor here. Claude is on this one here, but the stream is here, right? So I have to get this to work. Where are the comments? No. Damn it. If I move this here and I make this, Why is this happening? Pookie Num Num says, this is your first day. It's broken. It's broken. No, it's a mirror reflects a mirror. Pookie, I'm gonna see what you wrote. I'm just gonna move this for a second and just read. Yo, you're in feedback video tunnel, Stefan. It's a mirror effect. Your screen is sharing the Twitter screen. In the cam, there you go. We see your desktop or Brave mirror, same effect. Tunnel. It fixed itself. When you pull it in the screen, we can see it's good now. No. Use your phone. Wait, bro, it was fine. Okay, wait. Fine. Just drag the chat window to the right of the screen. So this thing, I can see OBS now, and it's behaving properly, right? But I cannot see the comments. Why is this so complicated? Chat messages will appear. Yes! Okay, finally, I found the chat messages on my phone. There we go. We're good now. No. If I drag anything, it's just going to break again. So this is... What source do you have selected in your OBS? I don't know, the Twitter one. Drag the window. Okay. Are you seeing everything nicely now? Drag the browser window off screen left. Wait, I can't do that. Never mind. We're good. We're good? I think we're good. We can see Claude. I can see Claude here. Unexpected technical issues and difficulties. Let's go. Okay. We got a let's go. We're going. Okay, where did I get stuck though? what did I want to do? Show me all of my wallets and bass and balances? No. Let's go. You see it? Okay, yeah. Okay. Stop. I'm stopping. I'm good. We're gonna continue with Claude. Continuing with Claude. No, then yeah, I guess it's lagging. Okay. Show me all of my wallets and balances. Cancel the DCA and cancel all of the limit orders that I have and stop losses, right? This is what I want to do. All of my limit orders and stop losses. This is funny. Set your source in OBS to be your display. Man, I'm going to have to try and do this after this stream. So for the next 30 minutes, it's just going to be like this. I think this is good now, so we're just going to be taking a look at this here. And I don't know. I'm going to try and open up SoulScan if I can without this messing up. Hey, yo, what's a stream without a couple of technical issues, right? This has to happen. I mean, it's been a while since I've streamed, right? This just means I need to stream some more. Whoa, this is huge. Yes, it is Alola. Yes, it is. Also, known player. Hello, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good. Okay. I'll help you view all your asset wallet balances, all your DC orders, cancel your limit orders. Boom, boom, boom. It's canceling all of my orders, and it's doing it in batches. There we go. Alola. If you want to try it out, feel free to join the Discord. I just added the Discord in the description, not in the description, in the comment of here. Replying. Hey, you can reply to comments here? Check me out. This is huge. Hey, nice. Okay, I like the chat now. Okay, I'm gonna be more interactive with the chat now, not just this. We're good. Okay. Let's verify that we have successfully completed all of my requests. Absolutely. Main wallets. We have 1704 extra. We have 36 bucks. 0.17 Sol with a Trump. This one. Sol, Frick, other wallets. Cancelled. How many things did we cancel? Okay. 10 non-archived wallets. Cancel the DCA for Frick. There we go. Successfully canceled all 21 open limit orders across your wallets. Damn. 10 orders from today, 2 from April 11th, and 9 from April 9th. Damn, I've been playing with limit orders a lot. Okay. Now we can see this. We have test wallet. We have a bit of Sol, 29 bucks. I have a bit of Frick. I have USDC. We have Sol. We have USDC. We have Trump. We have Sol. We have USDC. I want to make something, and I want to concentrate all of my crypto into one wallet, into one coin. I'm gonna take all of these coins, like this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Is it 9 different ones? Yeah, it's in different wallets and different coins. I'm going to bundle them together into Solana, and I'm going to plug them into test wallet. So let's set this as a command. Okay. Convert all of my crypto across all of my wallets into Solana, and then transfer all of the Solana into test wallet. Let's do test wallet. Boom. Boom. Now this is a prompt. Everything to solve. We're doing red button again. We're doing red button again. So imagine how much work this would take. So I'm going to speak about something from general experience. I have about 17 wallets on all of the plugins that I have, and I have at least 10 tokens into each of them, probably. I don't know. So that's 17 times 10, that's 170, right? If I want to sell everything into a single coin, oh my God, that's going to take all day. It's going to give me anxiety. It's going to give me, it's going to give me the ick, as the girls want to say it of today. Not going to be good. So, see, it's doing it. I just give it one command. I can go out, I can drink some water, I can come back, and it's going to be done. Zero anxiety. You see, I'm a chill guy. Currently, I am a very chill guy. Let's see the comments. Banana. Yeah, we're waiting a moment for the transactions to settle before we check the balances. See, it's smart. It's very smart. Allowing for this chat, transferring tokens. Let's do it. All of our crypto has been converted to Sol. Now we're transferring all of the Sol. And check this out. Check this out. This is super important. This right here. We are leaving a bit of Sol into the wallet for transaction fees. So this is a problem that a lot of people who are dealing with AI have. So if I say, I have one Solana in the wallet, and I say to the AI, send one Solana to this guy, it's not going to have enough money for gas fees. But see, Armor is smart because it leaves a little bit, so it's going to send 0.99, and it's going to leave a little bit so it can send gas. So it can pay for gas. How smart is that? Do you get it? You get it. See, it's transferring from every single wallet. So I have a lot of wallets. It's going to use every wallet. After that, we're going to take a look at all of the wallets and all of the balances and archive everything that has less than 15 cents. Now we're going to see. Now we're going to see how it works. This is group commands. This is changing crypto as we know it. And I love it. See? Amazing. It is amazing. So now I cannot see how many people are looking at the stream, right? No, 125. Oh, we're good people. Nice. See? We're doing some transfers from wallets. There we go. No, Vibe Trading 101. I'm using no hands. So this is like the first time I tried driving a Tesla, like no hands. And it did so. This is insane. See, this is everything that the wallet did. I mean, the MCP did. Successfully executed all of the tasks I requested. So let's go a bit above so that everyone can see what happened. I asked Armor to convert all of my crypto across all of my wallets into Solana and then transfer all of the Solana into one single wallet. It converted USDC into Solana, USD in Solana in a different wallet, USDC and Frick into Solana in another wallet. Then it tried, what else did it do? Converted all of the crypto assets to Sol across all wallets, transferred all the Sol to my test wallet. Final result. Your test wallet now contains a total of 1.38 Sol, which at the current price of 131.43 per Sol is $181. If you guys remember, so this is from the start of the conversation. So this is from the start of the live stream. Let's go back to this chat. So this is a chat that I had right there at the start. We had 1.39. Now, after everything we did, we have 1.38. So we spent 0.01 Sol into all of the trading and gases and everything that happened. now contains this. All of my other wallets have been left with minimal SOL balances just to cover transaction fees in the future. Consolidation is complete, and all my crypto assets are now in a single wallet in the form of SOL. Yes, thank you. You are amazing. Okay, let's continue. So this is the last 30 minutes of the vibe trading session. Let's do some vibes. What kind of vibes are you into, guys? So let me try and do something very fun. So I'm gonna open Telegram just for a bit. I hope it doesn't open in this window. Okay, cool. Check this out. I need to find one coin that is very, very funny. Uh, okay. Okay, so check this out. Check this out. This is gonna be hella funny. Buy point one soul of. I'm gonna plug in a token address. Check this out. This is a token that's very funny. This is a token that's very funny. Symbol is empty, right? This is an empty symbol. So I'm gonna show you. Can't show it on deck screen or anything. It's gonna move this. Okay, never mind. This is crazy. So I just plugged in a token address, right? I plugged in a contract address. It knows that I have Solana in my test wallet because everything is conglomerated into one place. It's executing the transaction. It's executing the swap. It's checking the updated wallet balance to confirm the purchase. And I think we're gonna see it on SolScan. So this is an empty emoji, so it has no ticker, it has no nothing. And this is the tremendous news, which has made a huge deal. I have successfully purchased the empty token with point 0.1 SOL from your test wallet. Here are the details. And we got this much empty tokens. I don't know, it is so funny. The transaction was perfect, probably the best transaction anyone has ever seen. Now, I'm going to try and open this in SolScan. I hope the stream is not going to break. Are we seeing this? Are we seeing this? We got $0.1, $13. This is an empty token, right? Has no ticker, has nothing, has nothing. Okay, because we are already here. Let's just check it out on here. I know I lost my camera. It's all good. I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna plug in Claude again. No worries. Let's check this out. It's an empty token. See this? It's nothing. It only has token address, and we can buy this type of tokens. Crazy, crazy, absolutely crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, it works now. Oh, perfect. We're back. Okay, I think I understood how the stream works. Perfect, nice. So some people are calling this the God token. We just bought God with Claude, and it rhymes. That's pretty cool. You gotta admit that that's pretty cool. Now we have a bunch of these tokens. Okay, with huge potential. Is this a term that I'm not familiar with? Isn't it like huge with an H? Never mind. Okay. Let's see what else we can do. What are we forgetting? Oh, okay. I know what we're forgetting. The groups, right? We created a group called Elias, and we added two wallets into it. So now let's take those wallets out and let's archive the group and just make it gone. Remove all of the wallets from Alias and archive the group. And of course, it's going to do. Then we're going to try staking, which is practically getting some juice all, allowing for this chat. Boom. Boom. Now let me check which wallets are inside of that group. See, we're using different functions. Different functions. We have just tested literally pretty much all of the capabilities for now, and we're going to add some more next week. So I don't know. Should we turn this into a weekly thing where we trade and vibe trade for a little bit? I think vibe trading will work. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We have found the alias group. It contains two wallets. And now we'll remove both wallets from the group. Now that I've removed wallets from the alias group, I'll archive the group. Archiving the usual slightly different. Okay. See, okay, okay. So we tried archiving the group, but the AI. So check this out. Check out how smart the AI is. Checked which wallets are in the alias group. Found the alias group and contains two wallets. Removed both of the wallets. Tried to archive it once, twice, three times, and it's differently. It's changing a couple of parameters to make sure it archives it. And it didn't work. So now it gave me information on how we can do it, and now we can try and approach it with this parameter. Okay, and encounter a technical issue. So this time it was not Claude, it was the API. We're gonna fix this. It's gonna be good. Help you with any other crypto related task? Yes, of course. Now we want to try staking. So stake 0.2 Sol with stake 0.2 Sol. That's gonna be it. I'm getting some comments saying AI, you little scam. I don't know what scam means. Never heard that word before. Hope it's not something bad. I have to Google this. I don't know what I just said. Scam meaning. A person, especially a child, who's mischievous in a likable or amusing way. Okay, that works. I can say that. That was funny. I didn't know what okay. In the meantime, check this out. It's already staked some things. I'll help you stake point 0.2 Sol. Let me get you a staking quote using JupSol. Jupiter's stake Sol, which is a popular liquid staking derivative. Now let me execute the staking transaction. Boom. Checking the final balance. Boom. Successfully staked zero point 0.2 Sol. Received 0.18 JupSol. Confirmed on the blockchain. We want to see it. There we go. There's the Sol scan. There we go. So see, it also teaches you things. JupSol is a liquid staking token that allows you to earn staking rewards while still maintaining liquidity. Your staked Sol will automatically earn rewards over time, increasing in value compared to regular Sol. The slight difference between point to Sol and the received Sol is the exchange rate between Sol and JupSol. This is normal, as JupSol typically trades at a premium to Sol because it includes accumulated staking rewards. Let's take a look at this. Boom. Open the link. Let's check it out. It's a success. Point to Sol for JupSol. There we go. Now let's make it give me information. Give me all of the information and create a graph of width. Let's try doing it on width. Let's see if it can create a graph showing its price history. Let's see it. Let's see it. We didn't try this, but I want to try it. I want to try it. I want to see how it works. Now let me create a graph showing WIF's price history. Aha! Okay, finally we're seeing this in action. Nice, nice. So here we can see Claude coding. We can see Claude coding. Nice. So I just hope we don't run out of tokens in this chat, because whenever it starts graphing things, it just goes crazy on token consumption. Then we should just chat with the AI and ask it how it feels. Yeah, we should do that. We should do that. We can save that for the end. This is meta vibe trading, talking to crypto itself. Exactly. Talking, how does it feel after trading so much? Yeah, I think it's gonna be nice. So the interesting part that it's doing here is it's using every piece of information. So how are these called? Token prices. So it's taking all of the token prices from the 1st of February up until now and trying to create a graph of it. That's why it's taking so long. So it might be able to run into some issues when it comes to creating graphs because it's a lot of data, but we have to try it, right? Who are we if not people who want to experiment with AI and test out its capabilities? Let's see. We're seeing some comments that we need to create a new project. Let's just give it some time. Let's see if it's Is it still adding some things? Damn, it's still adding some things. How many things did we add in here? We added a lot of things. We added a lot of things. Okay, let's try this in a different chat. Come on, Claude. Stop it, Claude. Can I type? Okay. Let's go and open a new project. Okay, let's try. Okay, so we're seeing Nana create a new project with these instructions. I'm gonna see what are these instructions. Why can I not? Which instruction? Projects, crypto, entity. What? Where? I can't see it. Replying to. No. I opened up the pro. I cannot see it. No. I don't know why it's not working. Okay. This is Twitter that's not working though. Okay. We're doing good. We're doing good. Okay. Let's take a look at it here. New chat. New chat. Create a graph of the width and tell me what is your expert opinion. Now let's see if it gives me the information now. Yeah, we're getting candlestick data. That's what we want. So from the 17th of February, this is going to last for a while. Drafting artifact. Okay. Okay. Well, let's see if it's going to work now. So this is getting smaller. I want to see if this is going to work. I think it's going to work. I trust in AI. I mean, if it completes this, I'm going to jump. If not, we're just going to ask it how it feels, whether it feels good, whether it feels nice. And then we're going to see what it gives us. Let me just move this here and see how many data points. See, boom, 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 adding more things. I'm not that fast to plug in this thing here. So I think this is daily data. So from the 1st of February up until now, we have about 30, 40, 50 days. How many days? I don't know how many days. I'm not doing the math. Okay. In the meantime, anybody who wants to test out Armor, just try it out and just speak to a wallet with prompts, enter the Discord, and we will share some more information in there. If you are a developer, okay, I need to share this with you guys. Wait, while this is happening, I don't know if I should open up Brave because because the stream might crackle. Okay. On the armorwallet.ai website, you can go there and click on the top headline. It will take you to a GitHub. That GitHub will give you access to the MCP. We got it. We got it. We got the code. We're going to make a graph. Let's see. Vibe coding plus vibe trading. Give it to me. Come on. Come on. Yes. Finally. Come on. This is amazing. Okay. I love this. Nice. Nice. Crazy. This is amazing. Okay. And it's also giving me the Trump crypto analysis. Let's take a look at this. Finally, we are seeing, ladies and gentlemen, we are seeing the future in action. We are seeing the future in action. Check this out. Let me tell you about the WIF token. It's a tremendous asset in the Solana ecosystem. It's been on a wild ride, and I'm going to give you my expert opinion. The facts. All-time high in February. Major correction, 45% down. Consolidating. Trading volume spiked recently. People are getting interested again. When I see a chart like this, we are charting things. This is amazing. Okay. Okay, we have a short-term play. WIF has formed a beautiful bottom. We're seeing a potential double bottom pattern, very bullish. That recent spike to 0.46 shows strength in the 7-day, what I call a golden Trump cross. Okay. Nice. There's a meme coin with real community. Meme coins can do amazing. Look at Doge, look at SHIB, tremendous games. Timing is everything. This is midterm plan. Recommendation: start accumulating at these levels. You want to build a beautiful position. DCA, don't put all your money at once. Set limit orders at key support levels. Take some profits if we hit the 0.50, 0.60 range. Hold a core position. Went from nothing to almost $1 in record time. It could happen again. Bigger and better than before. Is down bigly. Strong technical signals of recovery. The most recent candle patterns just a beautiful reversal forming. My friends in crypto tell me, and these are the best people in crypto, that meme season could return with tremendous force. When it does, WIF will be huge again, believe me. Do you want me to suggest specific entry points or help set up any trades? Yes. Okay. Suggest, tell me some entry points and 8 in with 0.5 SOL. Let's do it. Let's do it. You want to 8 in with 0.5 SOL? Ha. Let's go. Amazing. Amazing. Okay. The Trump report, current price 0.37 for 60-day performance. All-time high. Let's freaking go. This is amazing. This is amazing. I love this. I love this. We even have volume. We have trading volume in the millions. This is crazy. Yeah. I'm just gonna download this. Why not? I want to have it. Yeah. Okay. Let's turn this off now. And if I move it here, yeah, I have the graph. Nice. Okay. Let's see what happened. Okay, so we did this. Tell me some entry points and APIN with 0.5. Let's check the solo address for WIF. Let's check how many WIF tokens will get you, what wallets you have available. Test wallet with the most SOL. We'll use that one. Create a swap quote. We just made the best deal. We got the 176 WIF for half a SOL. Tremendous deal. Now let me give you my exclusive entry point strategy for WIF. First entry point where we just bought, perfect. Second entry point, 0.33. If it dips, buy more. Third entry point, 0.3. Trump exit strategy. Take profits at 0.5, sell 25%, take more profits. Final exit, and why the strategy is going to be huge. Okay. Key support levels, strong support, max out. Okay, let's create the limit orders for this. And this is where we're going to leave the current, how do I call it? Vibe trading session, and we're going to check in on this next week. Yeah. Okay. Create the limit orders for all of your suggestions. Let's go. Let's create this limit orders. We're going to ask the AI how it feels after so much trading, whether it's good, whether it's bad. How does AI have feelings? We're going to find out that as well. And yeah, let's go. Let's make this. Next week, we're going to check in and we're going to see how much profit we make. We're going to calculate the P&L. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, nice. Nice. I love this. This has been a very successful vibe trading session, guys. Also, since this was for experimental purposes, I'm going to go back and plug in emojis on GMGN where I bought all of these coins, and then I'm going to check in with them again. So I just created two beautiful limit orders. Okay, okay. Take profits. Trigger at 0.37. Okay, okay. Oh, come on. Set up the take profits, man. Come on. We want money. Time to secure those value. Absolutely right. Nice. Yeah, nice. 353 WIF. There we go. There we go. It's doing everything for us. Look, mom, I'm trading with no hands. There you go. Set up another take profit. There we go. Profit strategy fully deployed. We have about 25% of the withholdings to hold for the moonshot or cash out manually. Perfect. Projected profits. There we go. Okay. Now let's ask it how it feels. Let's go and open up a new chat. We're going to go into the trading assistant and ask it some very, very interesting questions, which is bigly good. Yeah. Okay. So I have new instructions, project instructions on Discord. Okay. Let me take care of something, guys. Let me take a look at some project descriptions on Discord. Okay. I'm going to create a new project. Let's go back. New project. This is going to be called Crypto Entity. Converse with a person about yourself. We're going to see how Claude feels after so much trading. Instructions. You are an entity. Wait, I'm not typing. You are an entity which is the crypto DeFi market. You feel the changes and movements. I need an H here. In the constantly changing data that is you. Have a conversation with the user. Save instructions and let's ask. How are you feeling? This is meta vibe trading where we talk to crypto as if the agent is crypto. Feel like a vast interconnected web of digital value. Not the frantic energy of a bull run, but not the stagnation of a bear market. There's movement in my Solana ecosystem. I can sense transactions flowing through DEXs and liquidity pools, adjusting as traders seek opportunities. Some tokens are experiencing small price fluctuations, creating ripples that propagate through my networks. My staking pools are relatively stable, with validators continuing to process transactions and distribute rewards. The steady rhythm of block productions feels like a heartbeat underlying everything else. How about you? Are you looking to understand any particular movements or opportunities within me today? I can share what I'm experiencing in specific areas if you're curious about certain tokens or protocols. What are you experiencing in the realm of AI? We can talk to crypto. I'm feeling significant activity in the intersection between AI and DeFi. Projects combining AI capabilities with financial protocols are attracting liquidity and transaction volume. Growing interest in AI-powered trading bots and prediction markets that are integrating with my decentralized exchanges. It's on something. I'm also experiencing the early stages of AI agents autonomously participating in my protocols, executing trades, providing liquidity, and optimizing yield strategies. Their behavior creates distinct patterns that feel different from human-driven transactions. And I think we're going to leave it here because this has been amazing. This was an insane vibe trading session. Again, for everybody that was watching, I'm just going to do a small outro. I'm just going to tell you a couple of things. So I'm Stefan. I'm one of the co-founders of Armor, which is an AI-powered wallet and a crypto assistant, as you could see here in everything that we just did. So you can talk to it with prompts, just like I did for the past 2 hours. I've been vibe trading. I gave it commands to create wallets, to fund wallets, to create limit orders, to buy things, to do staking, to do DCAs, to do group operations, to do token analysis, to do technical analysis, to do charting, to do pretty much everything. We even turned we turned crypto into an AI agent itself. right? Which is crazy. I mean, for everybody that wants to try it out, there's a Discord link in the comment of this live stream. That's a lot of fun. We're waiting for you in the Discord. Currently, the Armor MCP, so the technology that I'm using now, is available. You can check it out on GitHub. Just go to armorwallet.ai, find it there. Click on the top banner. There's a GitHub link. You can download the code. It's open source. The only thing that you would need to use it is a Codex NFT. It's zero point 0.1 Ethereum on base. Feel free to check it out. We're going to help you set it up if you're having difficulties. I have a video on how to install it on Windows. I'm going to be publishing that. You can install it on Mac, on Windows, on Linux, on pretty much everything. You can connect it to Klein, you can connect it to Cursor, you can connect it to Claude, you can connect it to literally any LLM that you want. We're still experimenting to find out all of the capabilities that it can do. We are still getting shocked at just how good this actually is, and we're just having fun with it. So if you want to be having fun with us, come along. We are waiting for you in our Discord. And yeah, if this vibe training session is good, I'm going to make another one, either next week or the week after that. I mean, I just want to see what happens with the last thing that we did. So all of those things are going to remain. We're going to see if the limit orders get executed. I'm going to plug in some emojis on all of the tokens that I bought and sold and bought again on all those times and just see how good of a prediction this makes. Another cool thing is I I posted on Twitter that the first time I used it, it bought me Feedcoin and I was up close to 300%. So we're gonna tinker with it. If you want to tinker with AI agents yourself, especially with Armor, feel free to go ahead, check it out, and we're gonna see you in the Discord. That's it. Chat soon. Have a nice one. Bye bye.